Pesto chicken sandwiches are on the menu today. If you like gourmet sandwiches, then this is going to become your new favorite. Welcome to my tantalizing bites. Before we get started, let's go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that bell icon so you can always stay updated on all of my latest videos. We are going to start off with marinating our chicken. We have about 2 pounds of thin cut chicken fillets. To this, we're going to add 1 heaped tablespoon of mayo and 2 heaped tablespoons of pesto. We will season the chicken with some salt to taste. I used about a teaspoon, and a teaspoon each of garlic powder and black pepper. Next, I am adding 2 teaspoons of red chili flakes. Remember to use all the spices to your own taste. Now let's mix. And this quantity of chicken makes approximately 8 sandwiches. We want to make sure that we have nicely coated all of our chicken with the mayo, the pesto, and all of the seasonings, just like this. Now let's set this aside for at least 30 minutes, or you can do this step overnight. Let's take a look at the other ingredients we will need for the sandwiches. We will be using some fresh basil leaves. These do add a fabulous taste and aroma. And we will be using some thinly sliced onion. I am using purple onion, but use whatever you have at home. And we have some thinly sliced tomato. Now, ciabatta bread really adds to the texture and flavor of this sandwich. It is so crusty and airy and soft and chewy. But if you can't find ciabatta, just use hoagies or Italian bread or any crusty bread of your choice. We will also need a few tablespoons of a good quality pesto. I am using hearty cheese today, but these sandwiches are great with mozzarella or provolone as well. Now we will heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan over medium-high heat. Place your chicken steaks in an even layer. Keep in mind these cook fairly quickly because they are thin cut fillets, so we need only about 3 to 5 minutes per side. I do like to cover and cook with the lid because it provides even cooking and it also reduces the splatter of juices around the stove. This chicken smells so amazing already, and it is super delicious. There are multiple ways you can use this in different meals. You can slice it up and use it as a topping for a fancy pesto pizza, or you can add it to pasta. If you are avoiding carbs, these chicken steaks also go great with a nice salad or roasted vegetables. They taste great no matter which way you serve them. Now that all of my chicken is cooked, let's start assembling the sandwiches. I am going to take my bread and slather it generously with the pesto. Next, let's layer up the basil, the onion, and the tomatoes. Now it's time for our fantastic chicken and that luscious Havarti cheese. This is ready for the hot panini. We are going to press this down in the panini till it is nicely toasted and the cheese has melted. Now look at that. How beautiful is this? Today I will be serving my sandwiches along with some steak fries and some pesto mayo as a condiment. These sandwiches are so perfect and I guarantee they are going to be a super hit in your home just as they are in my home. Go ahead and make them. Let me know how you like this video. Don't forget to hit subscribe and I will be back with more easy and delicious recipes. I'll see you next time.